Welcome to our video, where I'll guide you step by step on how to get travel insurance online using LV's website. LV provides a wide range of travel insurance services, and in this video, I will show you how simple it is to choose the plan that fits your needs directly from your screen. First, we'll go over the main features of the LV website and highlight the ease of use, accessibility, and navigation. Once on the LV homepage, you'll notice clear sections dedicated to travel insurance, making it easy to get started. I'll show you how to begin by entering your trip details, like destination and duration, and how LV offers helpful tips along the way to ensure you fill out the form correctly. You'll also find an overview of the different policy types, from single trip to annual plans, and how to compare them. One of the most appealing aspects of LV's travel insurance service is the variety of options available, including emergency medical coverage, trip cancellations, and lost luggage protection. However, like any service, there are pros and cons. While LV offers great coverage and competitive pricing, it's important to review each option carefully, as certain plans may have exclusions or limits that you should be aware of. During this process, it's always a good idea to compare rates with other services. For that reason, I personally recommend using a reliable service like Ekta Traveling, which can offer comprehensive plans tailored to your travel needs. You can find the link to this service in the description below. Now, back to LV. After filling out your trip details and reviewing your coverage options, you can proceed to payment. I'll walk you through this final step, showing how easy it is to finalize your travel insurance purchase on the site. Remember, having travel insurance is essential for protecting your trip from unforeseen issues. If you want to secure the best protection, follow the link in the description and explore even more travel insurance options through ektatraveling. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to stay updated on more travel tips.